I think it actually goes beyond that, because there are many things that we take for granted today that weren't even imagined in times past. They weren't even in the realm of magic. So it actually goes beyond that. So I thought, well, some of those things, basically, if I can advance technology, then that's like magic, and that would be really cool.
Quantum computing, a revolution in computing power. In the world of computing, faster and more efficient technologies are always in demand. That's why the world is turning to quantum computing. In this episode, we'll explore the world of quantum computing and its potential to revolutionize computing as we know it. Quantum computers work on the principles of quantum mechanics, which allow them to perform calculations much faster than traditional computers. But how does this work? Unlike traditional bits, which can only be in one of two states, a 0 or a 1, quantum bits, or qubits, can be in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. This allows quantum computers to perform multiple calculations at once, dramatically increasing their processing power. Quantum computing has the potential to solve problems that would be impossible for traditional computers. It could revolutionize fields such as cryptography, chemistry, and even finance. But despite its potential, quantum computing is still in its early stages of development. Today, quantum computers are still relatively small and expensive, but as technology advances, we could see quantum computers become more powerful and accessible. In the next episode, we'll explore the world of quantum entanglement and how it could change the way we communicate. Join us next time for another exciting episode of Quantum Mechanics, a journey to the subatomic world.